I welcome to the chapter Our Earth, Class 9th Social Studies. In the previous session, we learned about the evolution of the Earth, the Sun, and the stars. In today's session, let us know how the Earth acts as a planetary body. Similar to all other planets of our solar system, the Earth rotates on its own axis, which is nearly circular. It goes around the Sun in a fixed path called an orbit. Let us identify the correct image of the Earth orbit among images shown on the screen. A circular path, an elongated oval path, and a scale oval path. The Earth's orbit is a scale oval path, as the Sun is at the center and 1.4 centimeters on one side and 1.5 centimeters on the other side. The furthest point of the Earth from the Sun is 152 million kilometers and the closest is 147 million kilometers. The speed at which the Earth completes its one revolution, that is traveling around the Sun, is 1,72,000 kilometers per hour, that is 365.5 days. Now let us learn about the evolution of our planet Earth. Scientists observed that the formation of the Earth is a result of various intermediate phases. In the initial stages, Earth was a ball of a swirling dust of cloud which passed through a molten stage and then was bombarded by a massive rocks and other materials from the space constantly. At the molten stage, the Earth was very hot. The heavier particles which goes to the bottom formed part of molten core, and lighter particles which comes to the top form the layer of crust covering the molten interior. For example, the soup is boiled, the particles tend to go to the bottom and lighter particles cool at the top. As the Earth's interior gets cooled and contrasted, the outer crust is wrinkled, forming ridges. Those are mountains and basins. For almost many years, the Earth was lifeless, but slowly oceans were formed, and then there evolved plains, animals, human beings over millions of years. Now let us see the internal structure of the Earth. It took several hundred years to understand the interior of the Earth. The internal structure of the Earth consists of three layers, namely crust, mantle, core. Core is divided into two sub-layers, that is outer core and inner core. Let us know about each layer of the internal structure of the Earth. The first one is crust. The outer part of the earth is called crust, which goes to the depth of 3200 kilometers and consists of various kinds of rocks. The crust forms 1% of the volume of the earth, that is about crust. Now let us know about the mantle. The thickness of the mantle is 100 to 2900 kilometers. The upper part of the mantle is a pliable layer over which the crust floats, which consists of mainly of chemicals called silicates. Next one is core. The thickness of the core is 2900 to 6376 kilometers. It is composed of dense and heavy substances like iron and nickel. The core layer is divided into sublayers, namely the outer core, the thickness of the outer core is 2900 to 5100 kilometers, and it is composed of liquid metallic materials like iron and nickel. The inner core. The thickness of the inner core is 5000 to 6376 kilometers and is composed of iron compounds and heavy substances like the gold. So today we learned about how the earth acts as a planetary body, and next one is the internal structure of the earth. Thank you very much.